Hey guys, this is Dad's Toys and Things, and this is LJN's Mutant Fistpounder from the series Thundercats of the 80s.
What is that thing? You'll never make it, Thundercat! No! Stop!
This thing is massive. It measures about 7 inch from front to back and is about 12-inch high. The Mutant Fistpounder was designed to go against the Thundertank, which is equally massive.
Thundertank! The Fistpounder has been waiting for this! This thing could be trouble!
Here you go. And if you look at the description, I'm going to put in the link for my full review of the Thundertank. The Fistpounder is another one of the Thundercats vehicles that are hard to find complete, especially in a good condition. So how does this thing work? Let me see if I can show you. As you can see, once you push it, those two arms, those two fists, goes back and forth like that. There you go. There you go. And this one has a working fist going back and forth, pounding on the enemy. Now, let's look at the parts. Looking here closely, you can see two massive fists that goes up and down as you move them forward and backwards, just like in the cartoons. So here you go. And you can see that this thing right here also opens up and down as soon as you push the vehicle forward and back. And right at the console, here you can see you have a control panel, and this one here as well, where you have the first belt, which is mostly missing if you find this. And here you have a tower where Monkin used to sleep here, and the tower has, let me just push this up, you can see that. Now the tower also has a seat belt, and you can adjust the seat like that, and you got two guns. Now, like I said, this is the place where Monkin used to sit, and so I will pull my vintage Monkin, here you go, and put him in his rightful seat, just like that. And put in the belt. There you go. And there's Monkin. This one can rotate. And if you look at the back, he's got stairs where he goes up to his seat. Right in the front, good thing about this, just like the Thundertank, you have a spot for slide. And let me see. I got here my vintage light. And put in his axe and put him in the control panel. And there you go. See if this one you hold it better. There you go. And of course, Jackalman. Now Jackalman here can sit at the back. Here you go. And this is the beauty about this thing. You can sit down 3 figures. And sit the figure. And then Monk can right here control the guns. And he goes back and forth to fight against the Thundertank. And a lot of times, this fist right here would stop working on the old ones. There you go. A very fun toy, especially back in the 80s when you start to play with this. And there you have the Mutant Fistpounder going right for you. And with that, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to click like, share, subscribe, and hit on that notification bell for more of my videos. And I will see you on my next one. Bye.